Welcome back guys. In this class we are going to study about the input method. So what is input method and how we use this method in Python language? So input method reads a number from the user input, or you can assign or store a result of input into a variable. So in simple word, basically the input method is used to get information or any input from the user. So the input can be an integer type or the floating point number or a string type. So it depends on you, like what you are asking from the user. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the code editor and perform some examples. Welcome back guys. Now I am in my code editor and let's do some example and take some inputs from the user. So for that, okay, first of all, I'm taking a variable name as age. And now I am using this input method to ask the user about their age. Now I am typing a question, and what is your age? So what is your age? If I type here 65, so now print age. Sorry. So age is 65. So this is how we can take input from the user, and it's very simple. Just you have to use this input method and ask something to the user if you want to ask, and you have to type that question in between these parentheses, and that's it. So now do another example, and you can also do some typecasting while you are taking input from the user. So let's do another example. So we can do typecasting while we are taking input from the user. So this is a very simple method. Let me show you. I'm taking an example like age 1, and I want to typecast and now use this same method input. Okay, now just type here the data type to which you want to convert your input. So right now I want to convert my input to the string. So str, this is a keyword, and now just ask the user like what is your age, right? So just type here the method and put something in it. So now let's move on. What's your age? If I type here 45 and then print age. I typed here age, but the variable name is age 1. So 45. Now let's check the data type of this 45. Print type and age 1. Remember that the type keyword is used to check the data type of any variable. So this is the method of checking the data type of any variable. So the class is str. So how simple it is to convert one variable data type to another. So we can take multiple inputs and some complex inputs as well. And so this was the simplest method of taking input from the user. Okay, why we use this typecasting while we are taking input? There are some situations when there is a doubt that the user will put some different input instead what they are being asked. So in that case, the programmer takes some precautionary measures and they typecast the input before the user do some problems. So this is a very simple thing to do. So I hope you understand this lecture well. So if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. So see you in the next lecture.